this is cool, dude. Thanks a lot.
It's the only one left in the city that has the manual controls.
Oh yeah, even in Denver, we don't really have these.
Really?
Yeah.
I figured there was at least probably one in Denver.
I know. Well, we have some kind of like this.
Yeah?
Like we have ones that look like this, but they still have the buttons.
Oh, okay.
Abby, you want to come?
Yeah, come on in. Why not?
This is awesome. Thanks, man.
We'll go all the way to the top floor and then...
And back home in Chicago, we have elevators like this.
Oh,
but
really? Okay.
This one's really.
So that's where you're from, Chicago, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Chicago's got a lot of old architecture and buildings.
It's
Pretty
amazing.
smooth, huh?
Yeah, this thing runs
Yeah.
great.
It's original to the building. It's been here 109 years.
Wow, that's impressive.
Yeah.
Is it all right if I get a shot of the controls?
No, sure.
Thank you. Wow. This is cool, and that's probably like what tells you where people are waiting.
Yeah, if somebody were to ring, and you'd only hear it in the cage.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, check it out. Yeah, it turns white.
And then you clear it by this little button on the bottom.
Ah.
High tech.
I know, right? This is a cool system. I've actually,
You might want to take a little shot of the kind of the, well, I don't know if that's.
Oh, wow.
but some of the pulleys and stuff.
oh yeah. And then here's the button.
And then I can show you down where the engine room is.
Oh really? Can you show
Yeah.
me the engine room?
Well, I can't take you actually into the, I can
Show
let you
yeah.
have a gaze down at like the main drum and
Oh,
everything.
I bet.
With the cables and all that.
Oh wow, something says Chicago. Oh, oh wait, would you mind stopping like there?
Okay.
Would you mind rolling it up a little bit? So I
Yeah,
can
there
get
are
a
some
shot?
parts on here that are.
The
from
Standard
Chicago.
Company. Yeah, the Standard actually has
There you go.
installed a few things in Chicago. That's funny.
Yeah.
Thanks. Sorry about that.
Yeah, that's fine.
This is awesome, dude.
I can tell you're into it.
Oh yeah. Oh
Right
wow.
behind us is where the.
That's the winding drum.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that thing's huge. That's so cool.
If you turn your flashlight on,
Oh, thanks, Abby.
you can kind of see down in there.
Any help at all? Oh yeah. Oh wow.
It goes further back.
That's awesome, man. Oh, so this is 2-speed? So like if you move it a little bit, it'll go slower, and then move it more, it'll go
Well,
faster?
and then it'll level out at the floor as long as you hit it like maybe a foot before
Oh,
the
so
floor.
it levels itself with the floor.
It'll watch. See, it self-levels itself.
Oh, that's impressive. Oh, that's
Isn't it
cool. Interesting. I've not been on ones like this that do that.
I mean, I could stop it pretty much on a dime.
Mhm. That's cool. Hey, thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it.
Not a problem. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you. Yeah, that was great. You mind if I put this on my YouTube channel?
I don't care.
Awesome.
Go for it.
Thank you, man.
Sure.